Have you ever noticed how many people spend their whole lives chasing bigger goals, higher positions, more money, and greater success, only to discover that what they truly wanted was something much simpler? We often grow up believing that dreams must be large and impressive. We are taught to admire people who build companies, become famous, travel the world, or achieve extraordinary things. Society celebrates ambition, and there is nothing wrong with that. However, as people grow older and gain more life experience, many begin to realize that sometimes the biggest dream is simply having a peaceful life. When we are young, peace rarely seems exciting. A peaceful life sounds ordinary compared to a life full of adventure and achievement. Young people often imagine themselves becoming successful, wealthy, and respected. They picture large houses, luxury cars, and careers that make others admire them. Social media makes this desire even stronger. Every day, we see people sharing their achievements, vacations, promotions, and happy moments. It can feel as if everyone is moving forward faster than we are. As a result, many people begin to believe that happiness can only be found through constant progress and bigger accomplishments. The problem is that chasing success often comes with a hidden cost. Many people work long hours, deal with endless pressure, and sacrifice their health and relationships. They tell themselves that all this stress is temporary. They believe that once they reach a certain goal, everything will finally become easier. They think that after the next promotion, the next business success, or the next financial milestone, they will be able to relax and enjoy life. But life rarely works that way. New goals replace old goals. New responsibilities replace old responsibilities. The finish line keeps moving further away. One of the most surprising lessons adulthood teaches us is that peace has tremendous value. A peaceful morning without anxiety can be worth more than a higher salary. A quiet dinner with family can feel more meaningful than attending an important business event. A good night's sleep can become more precious than many material possessions. These simple experiences may sound ordinary, but they're often what people miss most when life becomes overwhelming. Many people discover this truth after going through difficult periods. Sometimes they experience burnout from work. Sometimes they lose someone they love. Sometimes they face health problems that force them to slow down. These moments often change their perspective. Suddenly, the things that once seemed extremely important no longer matter as much. They begin to appreciate small moments that they previously ignored. A walk in the park, a conversation with a friend, or a peaceful evening at home starts to feel like a gift rather than something ordinary. Peaceful living does not mean giving up on ambition. It does not mean refusing to work hard or abandoning personal goals. Instead, it means understanding that success should serve your life rather than control it. There is a difference between pursuing dreams and becoming trapped by them. A healthy dream improves your life. An unhealthy dream consumes your life. The challenge is learning how to recognize the difference. Modern society often sends the message that more is always better. More money, more followers, more achievements, more recognition. Yet there is another question that people rarely ask. How much is enough? This question may be one of the most important questions in life. If someone never decides what is enough, they may spend their entire life chasing more without ever feeling satisfied. No achievement will seem sufficient because there will always be someone richer, more successful, or more accomplished. People who find peace often develop a different mindset. Instead of constantly comparing themselves to others, they focus on what truly matters to them. They understand that happiness is not a competition. They do not need to win against everyone else. They simply need to build a life that feels meaningful and balanced. This shift in thinking can be incredibly powerful because it frees people from the endless pressure of comparison. Comparison is one of the greatest enemies of peace. It is difficult to feel content when you are always measuring your life against someone else's. Social media makes this even harder because people usually share only their best moments. We see their successes but not their struggles. We see their smiles but not their worries. We see the results but not the sacrifices. When we compare our everyday reality to someone else's carefully selected highlights, we often feel inadequate. This can create unnecessary stress and dissatisfaction. A peaceful life begins when people stop trying to impress everyone else. Many adults eventually realize that most people are too busy worrying about their own lives to spend much time judging others. The pressure to appear successful often exists more in our minds than in reality. Once people understand this, they become freer to make choices based on their own values rather than the expectations of others. Another reason peaceful living becomes attractive is that life itself is unpredictable. No matter how carefully we plan, unexpected events can change everything. A company can fail. An economy can change. Relationships can end. Health problems can appear without warning. Because of this uncertainty, building a peaceful inner life becomes extremely important. External circumstances may change, but inner stability can help people navigate difficult times. Many people spend years searching for happiness in future achievements. They tell themselves, "I will be happy when I earn more money," or "I will be happy when I buy a bigger house." While goals can certainly bring satisfaction, happiness that depends entirely on future events is fragile. If happiness always exists somewhere ahead, it never exists in the present. People can spend decades waiting for a life that never arrives because they are always focused on the next milestone. In contrast, a peaceful life allows people to appreciate the present moment. This does not mean ignoring the future. It simply means refusing to sacrifice today's happiness entirely for tomorrow's possibilities. Someone with a peaceful mindset can work toward long-term goals while still enjoying ordinary days. They understand that life is happening now, not someday in the future. Relationships also play a major role in creating peace. Human beings are naturally social creatures. Success can feel empty if there is nobody to share it with. Many people discover that meaningful relationships bring more lasting happiness than material possessions. A supportive family, loyal friends, and genuine connections often contribute more to life satisfaction than professional achievements alone. This realization becomes especially clear as people age. Few people look back on their lives and wish they had spent more time at the office. More often, they wish they had spent additional time with loved ones. They remember conversations, shared experiences, and moments of connection. These memories become treasures because they represent something deeper than success. They represent human connection. Another important part of a peaceful life is learning to accept imperfection. Many people create unnecessary stress by demanding perfection from themselves. They feel disappointed whenever they make mistakes or fail to meet impossible standards. However, perfection is not a realistic goal. Every person makes errors. Every life contains challenges. Every journey includes setbacks. Acceptance does not mean lowering standards completely. It means understanding that mistakes are part of being human. People who accept this reality often experience less anxiety because they stop fighting against unavoidable imperfections. They learn from their mistakes instead of allowing those mistakes to define them. Financial security is also connected to peace, but perhaps not in the way many people imagine. Money can solve many practical problems and reduce certain types of stress. However, beyond a certain point, more money does not automatically create more happiness. What many people truly seek is not unlimited wealth, but financial stability. They want enough resources to meet their needs, support their families, and feel secure about the future. This desire is closely connected to peace rather than luxury. The idea of a peaceful life may sound simple, but achieving it is often difficult. The world constantly encourages people to move faster, work harder, and want more. Choosing peace sometimes requires courage. It may mean saying no to opportunities that do not align with your values. It may mean accepting slower progress in exchange for better balance. It may mean defining success differently from the people around you. There is also a common misunderstanding that a peaceful life is boring. In reality, peace and excitement are not opposites. A peaceful person can still pursue passions, explore new experiences, and achieve meaningful goals. The difference is that their happiness does not depend entirely on those activities. They enjoy achievements without becoming controlled by them. They appreciate success without allowing success to determine their self-worth. One of the most beautiful aspects of peace is that it can be found in ordinary moments. It does not require perfect circumstances. A person can experience peace while drinking coffee in the morning, reading a book, watching the sunset, or talking with a friend. These moments often seem small, yet they can create a deep sense of satisfaction. The ability to recognize and appreciate such moments is a valuable skill that many people spend years developing. As people mature, their definition of success often changes. Success is no longer measured only by income, status, or achievements. It becomes measured by quality of life. Can you sleep well at night? Do you have people you love? Do you have time for things that matter to you? Do you feel comfortable being yourself? These questions become increasingly important because they reflect a deeper understanding of what makes life meaningful. The truth is that many of the things people chase are actually symbols of something else. They pursue money because they want security. They pursue status because they want respect. They pursue success because they want freedom. Yet sometimes the direct path to these feelings is not through endless achievement, but through creating a balanced and peaceful life. A peaceful life does not mean a life without problems. Such a life does not exist. Every person faces challenges, disappointments, and uncertainty. Peace comes from how we respond to those difficulties. It comes from developing resilience, gratitude, and perspective. It comes from understanding that life will never be perfect and choosing to appreciate it anyway. Perhaps this is why so many people eventually realize that their biggest dream is not becoming famous or powerful. Their biggest dream is waking up without constant stress. It is spending time with people they care about. It is having enough rather than endlessly wanting more. It is feeling safe, balanced, and content. These desires may seem simple, but they represent something profound. At the end of the day, Life is not a race to collect the most achievements. It is a journey to create a life that feels meaningful. For some people, that journey includes extraordinary accomplishments. For others, it includes quiet routines and simple pleasures. Neither path is inherently better than the other. What matters is whether the life you build brings you genuine satisfaction. Sometimes the biggest dream is simply having a peaceful life. It may not look impressive on social media. It may not attract attention from strangers. It may not earn awards or headlines. Yet for many people, it represents the deepest form of success. In a world that constantly demands more, finding peace can be one of the greatest achievements of all. And perhaps the moment we truly understand this is the moment we stop chasing a better life and finally begin living one.